Hello students, so let us solve A4 question. The mental ability, first one is D, second one is B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So 1, 3, 5 are even, that is odd, 2 is even. That is why B is the answer here. Okay. So third one is option is D, fourth one is C. Okay. So now fifth one same is A. Okay. Sixth C, seventh is A, eighth is B. Then after that 9th is B, 10th is A, 11th is B, 12th is B here. Okay. So 13th answer. If you go for 13th answer, what is it? That is B, B, A, C, right? B, B, A and C. This is the answer. Huh? No. Okay. This is different. Huh? So that is here. Okay. So A4 this is right. So 13th answer is AACA, right? So A, C and A answer, right? Okay. So next is 17 answer is B here. Okay. And 18 is BBA, right? So 18 to 20. It is B, B and A. Now 21 to 24. Here B, C, C and B. Right? B, C, C and B. Here. Okay. Yes. So next is 25. So it is D, C, B, A. Right? So D, C, B, A. D, C, B and A. Okay. Next is C, B, B, D, right? C and then B, B, D, right? So here C, then C, B, B and D. Okay. Next 33 to 36 is B, D, B, B. B, D, B, B. Okay. Next 37 to 40. So it is B, D, A, B. B, D, A, B. Okay. So B and D and A and B. These are the answers. Okay. So let us solve maths now. So 41 question is very easy. The profit on selling an article for 700 is same as loss on selling it for 500. So profit and loss when you sell is same. So that cost price we have to find. So here what we should do in this case, andre selling for 700 is loss is that is same as loss on selling and 500. So what we should do in this case, we should add these two, 700 and 500 and divide by 2. 700 plus 500 divided by 2. 700 plus 500 is 1200. 1200 divided by 2 means 1200 half is 600. 2 6 are 12. So 600 will be the answer. Option is option A. Or you can go with options. That is here if you take, so here if you sold at 700, 100 rupees is the profit. If you sold at 500, 100 rupees is the loss. So same, profit and loss is both same. That way also you can do. Understood? So see here 42 is very easy. Which of the following is smallest numeral? So I told you to find the smallest numeral in decimal point, you make the equal number of digits. So here if you see, so this option C has 4 digits, that is 4 decimal places. So here also you make 4 decimal places by giving 1 0. Here also there are 2 digits only. 2 more zeros you give, you will get this. Then here you give 3 more zeros, it will be 4 digits. Now you compare. So this looks like 10, this is looks like 1, this is looks like 100, this looks like 1000. So which is the smallest? smallest is 1. So that is option C here. Understood? You have to make the equal number of digits. Understand? By giving a 0. Okay. So see here, 43 is also easy. So that is 27 plus 6 by 10, 3 by 100, 9 by 1000. So here 6 by 10 means 0.6, 3 by 100 means 0.3. So if you want to write that once again, you can write it, right? And then add them also. So here if you want to write, you can write once again, that is 27 plus is there. So 27 plus 0.6 plus 0.03 plus 0.009. So if you add them all, 27.639 will be the answer. That is how you have to do. Okay, so this is 0.6, this is 0.03 and this is 0.09. Okay, that is 9 by 1000, that is 009. 3 digit, 3 zeros means 3 decimal places, right? Like that. Okay, so if you add it, you will get the answer. Easy, very easy. So see here students, let us go to the next question. That is what? That is 44 question. So smallest decimal among the following. So we have to simplify first. So 1.8 divided by 3. So I have simplified option A, 1.8 divided by 3. So we know it is look like 18. So 3 6 are 18 here. So 3 6 are 18 means 1 decimal place is there. 1 decimal place if you give 0.6 will come. 3 6 are 18, right? So 3 6 are 18 means 0.6 will come, because 1 decimal place. So 0.6 will come. Like that here also 24, 2.4 by 4. So 4 6 are 24. 1 decimal place will come. Here 9 9s are 81. 0.9 will come. Here 8 by 100. 2 zeros means we know 2 decimal places will come. 2 zeros means 2 decimal places will come. That will be 8 divided by 100 will become 8.08. So which is the smallest? Here if you want to compare, you have to make all the decimal places equal. So here 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, here 0 8. So it looks like 60 90, right? 60 90 60 and 0.8. So 0.8 is smallest. So they are asking smallest. So 0.8 is smallest, option D here. Understood? So students, listen here. Next question 45. So what is the question? 300 centimeter plus 30 meter plus 3 kilometer is how much in meter? We have to find. So 300 centimeter means 3 meter, because 1 centimeter means 100. That is 1 meter means 100 centimeter. How the 100 centimeter means 1 meter. 300 centimeter means 3 meter. Okay. So it will be 3 meter. Next is 30 meter. 30 meter you write as it is. Now next is 3 kilometer. 1 kilometer means 1000 meter. 3 kilometer means 3000 meter. So you add it all. So 3000, here 30 plus 3, 33. So 3033 option. Right? Yes? So option is option C here. Okay now? So see here students, next 46 question. What are the prime factors of 28,750 they are asking. So only prime factors we have to check. So let us prime factorize this. So this 28,750 will go with 2, divide with 2. So you take any one option and try to divide. So here A option I have taken, I have divided. So first I divide with 2. So you will get 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, right? So 2 4s are 8 here, and then 2 3s are 6, 1 will be remaining, 2 7s are 14, 1 will be remaining, 2 5s are 10. Now 5 is there, I took 5 also. So 5, will it divide? We have to check. If it is factor means it will divide, right? So 5 you divide it now. So if you divide it 5, 5 2s are 10, 4 will be remaining, 5 8s are 40, 3 will be remaining, 5 7s are 35, 2 will be remaining, 5 5s are 25. Now 23 is there next. I try to divide with 23 also. 23 1s are 23. 28 is there. 5 will be remaining. It will become 57. 23 2s are 46. So 11 will be remaining. It will become 115. 23 5s are 115. So 125 will come. So 125 means it will go with 5. 5 25 is a 5 5 is answer. So which are the prime numbers here? Different prime numbers. Yes. So which are the primes? If you see, that is 2, 5, 23. Here 5 is repeated, right? Same. So that is why I have written only one. So option A is the answer here. Understand? So now let's do 47. What is the question? So that is 56,000, that is 5,67,832 is divisible by which number they are asking?
Option A.
We should go with options. What we should do? We should go with option. Will it be divisible by 5? No. When it will be divisible by 5? When it is?
The last number is 5 or 0.
5 or 0. Because 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So 5 or 0 will come. So B is there. Now, so here 6 means we know 6 is 3 twos are 6. So it should be divisible by 3 and 2 both. Let us check with 3 now. So 3 divisibility is sum of digits should be 3 table. Okay. Yes. In the 3 table or divisible. Some digit sum. Right. So if you add here 6 is in the 3 table only, 3 is in the 3 table only. So don't take them. You add them remaining. Okay na? Or you, if you want, you can add all. Right? So here if you go with options, so 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2 will be how much? 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. 26 plus 3, how much? 29. 29 plus 2, 31. 31 will not come in the 3 table. 33 tens are 30. 11 threes are 33 will come. So 31 is not, this is a prime number, it will not come in any table. So that is why it is not divisible. So 3 is also, it is not divisible. Now 6, if it is not by 3 means it will not also be divisible by 6. So all are gone. Only 2. That is the even number. 2 is the even number, right? Last digit. So that is why it is divisible by 2. Understood? We should go with options. Okay na? 48 question is easy. So how do we do? That is a train with length 120 meter long traveling at 72 km per hour will take what time to cross a bridge of length 180 meter? So bridge length is how much? 180 meter, and then train length is how much? 120 meter. So total will be how much? 120 plus 180, 300 meter. Right? Total is 300 meter here. So now speed is given in kilometer per hour, 72 kilometer per hour. So to convert from kilometer per hour to meter per second, we have to multiply with 5 by 18. We have to multiply with how much? 5 by 18. So let us multiply with 5 by 18. So 72 into how much? That is 5 by 18. So 18 4s is 72. So what is remaining? 4 into 5. 4 into 5 means 20. So speed in meter per second is 20 meter per second. Now time, how do we find? Distance by speed. So distance is total 120 plus 180, that is 300, right? So that is total is 300. So 300 divided by speed is 20 meter per second, 20. So 300 divided by 20 means 110 cancel, and then after that we have to divide, here 10, here 10 cancel. Now 2 1s are 2, 1 will be remain, 2 5s are 10. So 15 seconds. It will take 15 2s are 30, right? So it will take how many seconds? 15 seconds. That is option B here. Got it? So now let's go to the 49 question, right? What is the 49 question? Suresh bought a Thai car for 700 and spent 250 rupees on its repair. So he sold it at 1200, find his profit. So Thai car is how much? 700 rupees he bought it. He bought for 700 and spent his 250 rupees on repair. So total is how much he is spending total? 700 plus 250, 950 rupees. So he sold at how much? 1200. So what is his profit? That is 1200 minus 950. So if you minus, you will get 250 rupees. So option is option A here. Very easy. Now 50 answer. One angle forming a complementary pair of a right angle, what can be said about other? So one angle is right angle means other will be 0, because complementary angle total will be 90 degree. First angle plus second angle. first angle, one angle. So they have given one angle means first angle. First angle is 90 degree. Then other angle, second angle will be how much? To get 90 degrees sum total. So 90 plus 0 is 90. So it cannot be other than that. So that is 0 angle. So it will be 0 angle means option D is the answer for which 50 question. Okay. So here complementary means total 90 degree, right? Complementary means total 90 degree. First angle plus second angle is 90 degree. So they have given one angle, that is the first angle, is right angle. Right angle means how much? That is 90 degree. Right angle means what? This is 90 degree right angle. So here this is 90 degree first angle. Okay. So that 90 plus how much is 90? 90 plus 0 is 90. So that is why 0 is the answer, option D. Okay. Okay. So now 51 question is also same, that is profit only. So by selling a article for 7,200, Priya suffers a loss of 800. 7,200 is she suffering loss of 800. Find the cost price. CP means cost price. So she sold article selling 7,200. She sold for 7,200. Loss is 800 rupees. So from what, if you minus 800, you will get 7,200. You have to add them both. That is selling price plus loss. If you add, you will get cost price. So 7,200 plus 800 will be how much? That is 8,000. Answer will be 8,000. That is option A here. 51 question. Understand? So here 52 is very easy, right? Which of the following number is not multiple of 60? They are telling 62 is 120, 63 is 63 is, right? So 63 is 180, 64 is how much? 140. These are all multiple. 150 will not come, right? So that is why not possible. That is not a multiple of 60. Okay, option B is the answer here. Understand? Yes. Munde kili 53 question, students. So what is the question? Convert 63 gram 45 milligram into decagram. DA means decagram. G means gram. So we have to convert it into decagram. So here it is 63 gram and 45 milligram is there. So we know, we should remember this table: kilo, hecto, deca, gram, deci, centi, milli. Here it can be gram or it can be meter, liter, anything. So here it is gram. 63 gram is there. So we have to from gram to, we have to go to deca. DA, deca. So one time we are going. One time means we have to divide with 10. That is 10. Right? And here 45 milligram is there. From milli we have to go to deca. So how many times? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So 4 time means 40 we have to divide. So 40 if you divide, here 4 decimal places will come. 0.0045. And here 10 is there, right? If you divide 63 by 10 means 1 point will come. 10 means 1 point. So 6.3 plus 0.0045. If you add them both, you will get 6.3045. So option is option A here. Got it? So students, here 54 question. Population of a village in the year 2020 was 85,342 and it was 88,006. That is 80. What is it? It is 8,86,752 in the year 2022. So what was the population increase? This is 8,50,342. This is 8,86,000. So if you want to find increase, minus it. So if you minus it, you will get here 2 minus 2 0. Here 5 minus 4 is 1. Here 7 minus 3 is 4. So 410. 410 is in which option? It is in option A here. That is why option A is the answer. You don't have to completely find it. You can go with like these options. Okay now? Understood? So 55 question. So what they are asking? Find the difference of areas of two squares having sides 10 cm and 15 cm respectively. So here what we have to do? So difference we have to find of the areas. So how do you find the area of square? That is side into side. So first is side is 10 cm. So first area will be 10 into 10, 100. and second side is 15 centimeter. So 15 into 15, 225. So difference means minus it. So 225 minus 100 is 125. So answer is option B here. Okay, understood? Yes, that is the answer. Very easy. So see here, 56 question is a grace that is not for Navodaya syllabus because division of fraction will not come. Okay, so answer, however, answer will be option B, 53 by 72. Okay, if you have done correctly, very good. So students, let's go next. That is 57 question. Which of the following statement is true? So here option A, if you see, 7 by 8, 7, 7, 7. All the denominators are same. So here it is greater than. This is greater than symbol. Is 8 greater than 10? No. Wrong. This is wrong. This is false. Now here 7, 8, 7 is there. You leave it. Okay. So here 1 by 8 is greater than 1 by 7. No, that is wrong. 1 by 8 is smaller than 1 by 7. 1 by 8 is smaller than 1 by 7. That is also wrong. So both are wrong statement. Neither 1 nor 2. Both are wrong statement. Understand? So that is why option is option D here. Okay. So see here student, 58 question. So find the value of x in the following figure they are asking. So this is what? Opposite. So vertically opposite angles will be same. So this is 4x plus 20 and 140 will both will be same. So 4x plus 20 plus is equal to 140. So x value we have to separate it. So 20 you take that side. Plus will become minus. 140 minus 20. 140 minus 20 is 120. So 4x is 120. 4 also you have to take that side. It will divide. So 4 3s are 12. So 30 will be the answer. Option is option B here. Okay. That is the answer. Or you can go with options. That is you multiply and find the answer here. Okay. So if you take option A here, that is 4x plus 20 is how much? 4x means 4 into 20 option. 4 20s are 80. 80 plus 20 is 100 it will come. That is why not the answer. So if you take 30 it will come 140, then it will be the answer. You can go both ways. Understand? Yes? Okay.
Sir, option C, 35.
Okay, yes, yes. So here 59 question. A bar graph is given, right? So here find the difference between the employees who made 35 and 10 percentile saving. So 35 and 10 percentile here. So 35 minus 10 is 25. Difference they are telling. So difference means minus. So if you minus, you will get the answer, right? So difference, yes, difference means 35 minus 10, it is 25. Answer option C here. Okay, very easy. So now students, let's go to the 60 question. What is the question here? What will be the difference between the greatest 6-digit number and greatest 5-digit number? So greatest 6-digit number is 9, we have to write 6 times. Greatest 5-digit number 9, we have to write 5 times. If you difference means minus, so everything will become 0, 0, 0 and 9 as it is. So that is why option is option D here. Understood? Very easy. So now students, English passage 1 here. So passage 1 answers. So what are the answers here? If you see, so here for passage 1 the answers are B, D, D, A and C. Okay. So next passage, passage 2 here. So what are the answers here? Yes, that is C, B, 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 D, right? C, B, 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 D, right? So here C, B, B, B and D answer. Okay. So passage 3 here. Okay. So passage 3 answers are what? That is B, 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 C, D, right? B, 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 C, D. What are the answers? B, B,
C,
B and C and D. These are the answers, right? Okay, good. Now let's go next now, that is passage 4 here, right? So passage 4 answers. Okay, I am directly writing. That is B, yes, B,
B,
C,
C,
B, C, B,
C,
B and
B,
D. Okay, these are the answers. Understand?
B.
Okay.
Backbone.
So students, practice well. Exams are near. Okay, good.